are several stylish ways to place a bow on the back of a blouse. Here are some types of bow placement on the back neck. Center back bow, a classic in a symmetrical position, work well for a clean and polished look. Off-center back bow adds an interesting asymmetrical touch. The bow is slightly off one side of the back neck, gives a playful and a modern twist to the blouse. Back tie bow. Instead of pre-tied bow, the fabric is left long to tie into a bow. Gives romantic and a whimsical look. Black bow with cutout. The back of the blouse features a cutout or a keyhole design with a bow. Adds a touch of femininity. Repeatable bow ties. More than one bow tied along the back neckline creates a unique and eye-catching look. Ideal for the blouse that aims to make a statement. Lower back bow. The bow is placed lower down to the back near the lower back or the waistline. Adds a surprise and unexpected detail. Works well for blouses with open or a low back design. Asymmetrical bow back. The bow is placed diagonally across the back, creates a dynamic and a modern look. Add visual interest to the blouse. These different bow placements on the back of a blouse can help to achieve various styles. Consider the overall design and silhouette of the blouse when choosing to make the blouse placement. Thank you for watching this video and subscribe for more videos.